Hi, I'm Laila, I'm 9 years old. I'm from Nottingham. I was 5 when I started swimming. My favourite food is bacon. I do dancing and cheerleading, and I do swimming, and in school I play football. I'm a good water safety ambassador because I'm funny and I like to do swimming. I love swimming with my family.
My name is Guy Dore and I'm Laila's dad. She's going to be a good role model to children out there and make it more fun and let them know no matter where you're from, anybody can be a part of this. So it'll be really good. It's definitely something you have to consider even though when they go to school, because it's not just about going on holiday, it's about when children get older, they have to learn to swim, because a lot of people I speak to, they can't swim, and I think it's a normal thing to happen to swim because you enjoy life a bit more. Oh, definitely. I can do everything in swimming. I think in my culture or ethnic, a lot of people don't swim. So, you know, I think it's important for everybody, no matter which one or your colour, you have to learn to swim. It's important.